How to download and install Resident Evil 4 on PC or laptop. So if you want to install Resident Evil 4 on PC or laptop, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser at first, and on your browser make sure that you have an internet connection. Now after opening your browser, you need to go with Steam, search for Steam. After searching, you need to click on steam.steampower.com, and here on the top right you will have install Steam option. You need to go and click on that install Steam, and after clicking on it, it will start the installing process. And once it's installed or downloaded, you need to search for Steam on your device. You will have Steam app, so you need to open the Steam app. After opening your Steam, make sure that you've signed into your account. Now you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for that game, which is Resident Evil 4. Now once you find the game here, you need to click on it and make sure that you enter your correct date of birth, and then go with view page. And after that, scroll down, and if it's a free game, then you will have the download option right here, or it's a demo version, you can have a download option. You'll be able to download it and play the demo version. Or if you want to buy the Resident Evil 4, then you need to just go with add to cart, which is on the right side, and after that go with view my cart, and from here you need to go with continue shopping, go with continue to payment, and add a payment method, or if you've already added the payment method, you need to pay for the game. And once you've paid, then you can go back and you will have the download option on Resident Evil 4. So in this way you'll be able to download, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.